Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change dot into comma and comma into dot in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page and then you see 10.0. So we are going to change it 10,0. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it. So many countries are using comma instead of dot and vice versa. So we are in general setting and then scroll down. You see currency option and then you see thousand separator, decimal separator, and then you see comma. So we are going to change it to dot for thousand separator, and then you see decimal separator dot. So change it to comma and then click on save changes, and then you see your setting has been saved. Go to shop page. Now you see product prices. Now refresh the page. Now you see 10,0. So format is changed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.